Understanding the phrase, give ear to, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, give ear to. This expression might sound a bit unusual, but it's a great example of the richness of the English language. So, let's explore what it means and how to use it in conversation. Give ear to is a phrase that means to listen attentively or to pay close attention to someone or something. It's often used in a more formal or literary context. This expression originates from the idea that when we listen, we use our ears, so to give our ear is to offer our attention or to listen carefully. Now, let's see how give ear to is used in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. The teacher asked the students to give ear to the instructions. Here, it means the teacher wants the students to listen carefully. 2. During the meeting, he gave ear to the concerns raised by his team. This implies that he paid close attention to what his team was saying. 3. It's important to give ear to both sides of the argument before making a decision. This suggests listening attentively to both perspectives. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the essence of give ear to. Some synonyms include listen to, heed, pay attention to, and take notice of. Each of these can be used in slightly different contexts but carries a similar meaning. And that's a wrap on give ear to. Remember, phrases like this add color and depth to your English. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your language learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.